Hey YouTube, I'm Kishan and in this video you'll learn how to clone a Git repo. This video is a part of the less than 100-second series where you acquire many skills in seconds. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to never miss out any video of the series. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have Git installed on your PC. If not, you can install from this website. I'll put a link of the website in the description. Now head over to the Git repository which you want to clone. Now go to this code button and click this icon to copy the HTTP URL. It has been copied. Now I'll head over to my VS Code and open up a new terminal and I'll type git space clone and I'll paste the repository, and now I'll hit enter. It will start to clone the repository on your local machine. So it has been cloned. We'll open up the clone folder to see if it has been cloned successfully. Yes, it has been. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, do like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.